cortisol is something that लोग इस पे रिसर्च करके बैठे हुए हैं. लाइक नेगेटिव थॉट्स का तो पूछने का ही नहीं. तो मैंने 7 days का चैलेंज लिया. इन दैट आई डिसाइडेड आई विल कलर एवरी डे. Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today's video is something really interesting. So first thing, if you think that coloring is only for kids, no, it's not only for kids. Even adult coloring books you do get on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box just for the disclaimer of this video. And the next thing, yes, to be a kid at the adult age or at whatever age you are, again you get a chance to be a kid. Don't ever miss it. So coloring is really helpful. Okay, I won't tell the conclusion right now. I have something really interesting, so we'll go step by step. So first thing, I'll tell you guys that I have a lot of like this domes ke pencil colors, simple wale, and they are really amazing. They are like a life savior for me. And I had these two coloring books, the kids one, simple one, और ये मेरे पास बहुत पहले से था. Like 2 years back I got this. Just ऐसे ही मन किया था तो मैंने ले लिया था रास्ते से. Like the kids were selling, so मैंने ले लिया था just the normal 2 books. But few days back, like 2-3 weeks back, I read an article related that coloring really helps you keep calm and helps to boost your mental health and all those stuffs. So I just researched more about that, and what I know is that लोग इस पे रिसर्च करके बैठे हुए हैं. लाइक कलरिंग इज़ रियली गुड फॉर योर मेंटल हेल्थ as well as it helps to develop your brain and all those a lot of stuffs. I'll put all the blogs and articles in link of all those blogs and articles in the description box. In case if you are interested, you can go through that. So I was wondering that yes, मैंने coloring किया हुआ है. I am kind of person, मेरा मन किया तो मैं कर दूँगी colors लेके बैठ जाऊँगी and I'll do coloring. But then I thought, like after reading a lot of articles and all those stuffs, why not experiment on our own self? So मैंने 7 days का challenge लिया. In that I decided I will color every day. Like every single day for 7 days continuously I'll color, and then I'll see what impact it puts on me. So I'll just go day by day, but before that I will read few things which I really liked. Okay, so coloring reduces stress and anxiety. Yes, due to lockdown and due to this COVID thing, everyone are really stressed, and many of you have went into depression and anxiety has taken them. You can try this therapy. This is not fun. This is something, a therapy which doctors say, like recommend. ऐसा मैंने किधर तो नेट पे ही पढ़ा था. So in case if you are someone who has good knowledge about this, just put the comment down related giving us more knowledge. I'll pin that comment. Yes, so I'll just read out few things. That coloring reduces stress and anxiety, I already said. It trains your brain to focus. So it says that you can focus more. It helps replace negative thoughts. Negative thoughts का तो पूछने का ही नहीं. सबको आता है negative thoughts, and अगर आपको नहीं आता है, you are the lucky one. But if you get negative thoughts, so just come out of that. So it says that it helps replace negative thoughts. It can reduce level of cortisol, and cortisol is something that anxiety issue होता है तभी cortisol level increase हो जाता है हमारे brain में. तो उसको reduce करने के लिए it says that coloring helps. Unplugging from technology promotes creation over consumption. Yes, the best part is technology से दूर रहना है. Yes, paint तो हम लोग लैपटॉप पे भी कर सकते हैं, फ़ोन पे भी कर सकते हैं. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गेम्स रिलेटेड दैट, बट दीज कलरिंग बुक्स आर समथिंग डिफरेंट. So what I did is that I went one by one. That is on Saturday. My first coloring session was really different, and I felt nothing like I enjoyed because मुझे वो करना था coloring, and I really like coloring. So first day तो मैंने enjoy कर दिया, उसमें कुछ खास नहीं था. But now the second day was something like normal. just करना था तो कर लिया मैंने coloring. उसमें कुछ फ़र्क दिखा नहीं मेरे body में या something. Like I didn't found any difference in me. Now let's come to the third day. You know what happened? Like my mood wasn't that great. I was like feeling little low, and कुछ I don't know was really bored, so I just did like let's do this video, like वो भी वैसे भी करना ही है दिन में, तो आई थॉट कि ठीक है अभी कलरिंग बुक लेके बैठ जाती हूँ. तो मैंने किया कलर एंड आफ्टर आई फिनिश दैट वन पेज आई वॉज इन डिफरेंट मूड. येस आई नोटिस दिस थिंग, लिटरली आई नोटिस दिस थिंग. फिर उसके बाद भी लाइक ऑन द 4th day what happened is that I was angry. Yes, I don't know. Yes, I am a kind of person जिसे गुस्सा जल्दी नहीं आता है और ज़्यादा भी नहीं आता है, बट जब भी आता है it takes a lot of time for me to get calm down and वो हमेशा दिमाग में ही रहता है. But again I took colors, I started coloring and it really made me calm down within that one page. वो एक पेज जैसे ही ख़त्म हुआ I felt calm down. Like वो स्टार्ट करते ही स्टार्टिंग में थोड़े डॉट्स आते सब होता है, लेकिन within 2-3 कलर्स आई चेंज वो सब नॉर्मल हो जाता है. माई माइंड गेट्स टोटली काम डाउन. एंड उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे मुझे बहुत बोर हो रहा था, लाइक लिटरली मुझे नहीं करना था कलरिंग, लाइक टाइम भी नहीं था. आई वॉज सुपर बिजी विथ माई वर्क एंड ऑल दो अदर स्टफ्स, बट ठीक है टाइम निकाल के मैंने किया. आई वॉज टायर्ड बट वो टायर्डनेस भी निकल गया कलरिंग करने से. आई डोंट नो, दिस वॉज रियली एपिक थिंग हैपन टू मी. आई वॉज सो टायर्ड. मैंने ये कलरिंग बुक ना सोने से पहले ओनली फॉर द सेक ऑफ वीडियो मैंने कलर किया था एंड वो I did at 11:30 at night and I was super tired, but ठीक है मैं शांति से सो गई. फिर it was really amazing experience and as time passed I started liking coloring and it was like I have to do this and I want to do this. So it really works. Trust me guys, it really works. It do help and coloring therapy is really amazing. So it's like खुद को experience करने के बाद ही कुछ चीज़ें पता चलती है. So you just buy 1-2 coloring book and ये डोम्स के कलर और any other color whichever you like. अगर ये नहीं किड्स वाला, मैंने किड्स वाला मेरा मेन रीज़न क्या है पता है किड्स वाला लेने का, ऐसा कुछ तो खास नहीं. अडल्ट बुक्स आर ऑल्सो अमेजिंग बट इसमें ना कलर्स लिखे होते हैं, दैट इज़ ग्रीन, पिंक, ब्लू एज यू गाइज कैन सी. तो इसमें ना ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता है और ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता है कि कौन सा कलर लूँ. इट्स लाइक व्हेन यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड और पूरे दिन के थक गए हो आप और आपको कलर करने बोले तो इट्स रियली स्ट्रेसिंग, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा और दिमाग चलाओ कि कौन सा कलर अच्छा लगेगा, कौन सा लूँ कौन सा नहीं लूँ. उससे अच्छा इस पर लिखा हुआ है कौन सा कलर लेना है, पिंक कलर है पिंक कलर उठाओ चालू कर दो कलरिंग करना. इसीलिए माई मेन रीज़न वॉज दिस. It's totally up to you. That was something my opinion and yes it do work, it really helps and it's not only about mental health, it's always like you get one more half an hour in your whole day where you can be a kid again. So it's really amazing and yes that was all for today. I hope you like my video and don't forget to hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So guys please do subscribe and do hit like and let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this and I would say please try कर लो, at least 7 days कर लो यार. It's really amazing. If you are trying, do let me know your experience in the comment section. Yeah, bye bye, see you in next video.